Today we're going to be talking about the element of art, space. Space refers to the area within, around, above, or below an object or objects. It is important to creating and understanding both two-dimensional or three-dimensional works of art. With three-dimensional works of art, the space things occupy is real, as is the space around the object. With two-dimensional artwork, like this painting here, the artist has created the illusion of space by utilizing several different techniques. I will show you a few of those techniques here. The first is size. With size, you can create the illusion of space by creating larger objects near smaller objects. The larger objects are going to look closer to the viewer. You can also use overlapping. You can place objects in your artwork and overlap them. When you overlap the objects, it makes it look like the object in front overlapping is closer to the viewer, and the objects that are behind are farther away. You see here, I've also used size. Another technique is utilizing a horizon line. The horizon line is where the sky meets the earth. You can see the sun goes down at the horizon line. These are just 3 techniques you can use in your artwork to show an illusion of space. There are more, so check out the next video for more information on other ways to use space in your artwork.